Extremely mild here at 11:34. 51's the average high this time of year, and we're still in the 56 here. 57 in Maryville and 56 for Spring City. Fog still an issue in spots. Very reduced visibility here. Our Embassy Suites hotel camera. That's the sun sphere here in the foreground, and also some fog up in Anakeesta in Sevier County as well. I do think we'll still see some as we head into tomorrow morning, but the wind is starting to increase a little bit out of the southwest across the plateau, so improving visibility places like Cumberland County, at least the western part, but still pretty thick there between Crossville and Kingston up to Wartburg, near Maryville, and also northward up towards Claiborne County. We still have the official dense fog advisory until 4 o'clock on the plateau for Crossville and Cumberland County, and points to the west back into Putnam County, but I think by tomorrow morning it's going to be focused a little further to the east where the wind stays lighter. And this is, by the way, by about 7 o'clock in the morning. Wider perspective of the radar, most of the showers have been to our north and west, so I'm not expecting a lot of rain tonight, but there could be some patchy drizzle or at least some random light showers. So we'll go from where we are right now at 11, and I'll stop at right about daybreak, and you see the steadier rainfall stays kind of off to our north, but we will have that patchy fog again to start, and mild temperatures. We're not changing much from where we are now. Low to mid 50s for most areas, and then highs will jump into the mid to even upper 60s, maybe near 70. Look at Newport, 71. Even Tellico Plains at 70 for tomorrow. So brisk southerly winds ahead of a line of showers and storms that will come through. A level 1 out of 5 risk for areas shaded in green, but we do want to include areas to the south as well. McMinn, Monroe, and portions of Blount County. Basically, isolated damaging wind gust, our main threat. Could there be a quick spin up brief tornado? Possible, but I'd say that's on the lower end, but we know that damaging winds can do just as much damage sometimes. So take these warnings seriously. If any come out, just make sure you have multiple ways to get them. No problem 7 a.m. when you're heading to work, but about 10 a.m. through about 3 p.m. is going to be our most likely opportunity for these storms. This is midday. They're crossing the plateau in Kentucky and sliding south and eastward early afternoon. By 4, I'd say the severe threat's over, but still a few lingering showers when the kids are getting out of school and for that evening commute at 6. Then we're drying out by about this time tomorrow. It's a little bit cooler with a partly cloudy sky on Thursday. This is actually closer to average, so mid to upper 60s tomorrow, low 50s by the time we get to Thursday. An Arctic push of air comes in on Friday, so more clouds, temperatures only in the 40s. In fact, you may not get out of the upper 30s in spots across the plateau. And by late Friday into Friday evening, some of the higher elevation areas could see a little bit of light snow or flurries, but it would only be there the way it's looking. Cold start Saturday morning, we're at about 30. So is Maynardville and Dandridge, Oak Ridge, but 24 in Crossville. Even colder by Sunday morning with teens and 20s across the area. But as I mentioned, this is just a quick cool down. We're going to moderate as we head into the week of Christmas. In fact, on Monday, we're back in the mid 40s after a very chilly start. Upper 40s for Christmas Eve with clouds increasing. And the way it looks right now, kind of what I've been saying, near average temperatures on Christmas Day. Lots of cloud cover and maybe a few sprinkles or light rain showers later in the day, Don.
All right, Ken, thank you.